When you need color, when you need light, when you need a rainbow shining bright, when it's overwhelming with all of your to-dos, go grab a sticker, it'll help you through. Get it from EllieBeth Designs, 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 EllieBeth Designs.
Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are a new viewer, you are very welcome here. I'm going to be sharing a little bit about the Hobonichi Weeks sheets that I have in the shop today. So I have had the sort of weekly view kits for a little while. These are two of the previous ones and these are two of the new ones that are coming out on Wednesday the 16th of October. Had to have a think then. But what I've done now is I've added in a monthly view kit as well. So there is the Winter's Fantasy coming and Winter Forest, and I thought it would be useful to share with you how these work, or how I've envisioned them kind of working in the Hobonichi Weeks. So I'm going to go for Winter's Fantasy. Just put those to one side for now, and I've got a spare, I've got kind of a test planner because, you know, we have to try things out, don't we? So I've got it open to November and I thought I'd just have a chat through kind of how this is gonna work. So let's bring you in a little bit. There we go. So first up, where I always tend to start is, I think, well, I'll sort the bottom part of the page out. Now you have got the option, because you've got 4 check boxes there, so you could leave that one available to write with and use one of these check boxes there, or checklists I should say, or you could just cover the whole lot up, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to have the unicorn on the left. I love this artwork so much, it's just so pretty. Get that sorted. There we go. For one horrible moment there, I thought that wasn't going to fit. I'm there thinking, but it has to. I've tested it, it's fine. Oh dear. I do measure again. And then that one there. Oh, I think that looks so pretty already. And then this long sidebar, this month list, is designed to sit here. And we can just sort of match that in. And of course, one of the things with the Hobonichi Weeks is the Toymori River paper is it's not very forgiving to repositioning stickers. However, my stickers are repositionable, so if you are quite careful, you can generally wriggle them a couple of times if you need to, which is good because as anybody who's watched any of my videos will know, I can't stick straight. Then we've got the choice of November or December for the month, so I'm going to go with November and just pop that there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my month running Monday to Sunday because that makes sense to me. But because the date stickers or the day stickers are separate, you could always swap it to run Sunday to Saturday if you preferred that. So let's just get these off and stick on the back of my hand for a minute. Saves having to keep going and peeling everything. Okay. The only problem now is I've got to make sure I pick them up in the right order. So, in goes Monday, then Tuesday. And again, when you're sticking like a line of stickers, I always find it easier to have the page so that I'm sticking upwards. It just, I don't know, it means you can sort of stack them. I've got no chance if I was trying to do it like that, it just would not work at all. And conversely, doing it from the Sunday, I'm going to turn it around and work back the other way. So there we go. Oh, that went wonky. Okay, it should be alright. So just hold the paper down really carefully and carefully ease it off and it will come. There we go. Phew. Sticker crisis averted. Saturday, Friday and Thursday. So doing them that way has just made it a lot easier for me. So yeah, I'm not one of these. I've always struggled with being neat. It's just never been my thing. So we do have some date covers as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those on. And whilst I do that, I shall pop you some music on because let's face it, it's going to take me a few minutes. Okay, there we go. So that's all the dates done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just kind of mark the beginning and end of the month with these full box stickers. So just pop those in there. You could use them to mark, say, a special event if you've got a special day happening, you know, whatever you want to do. And again, because I like to give people the option of when to use the kits, which month it is, I don't make them month specific. So, you know, there isn't like a bonfire night one or whatever. They are just so you can choose. And what I thought I might be able to do is then use this space up here for some extra checklists. So they will just and so go with a little bit of persuasion. And then you've just got some extra, you know, use all the space that you've got because you might as well. And in a tiny planner as well, you need to make the most of the real estate that is there. So that to me works quite nicely. You've just got some space up there, which obviously you lost by putting this over that list area. Then I'm just going to pop in a couple of the labels. So for example, I know that the 15th and generally the 7th are paydays, just to show you how these fit nicely. And then we have some of the wider boxes. So these would be great for like taking up a whole afternoon or morning. And then the smaller labels, again, would sort of, you know, you can slot those in where you need them. And they kind of cover roughly 2 squares worth, so you could get 3 on one day. So if you've got more than 3 appointments, then you're probably not going to be putting it on your monthly view anyway, are you? They're probably going to be going on to the weekly view. So again, let's put that one in there. And if you know, you can line it up to the line, or you can centre it, whatever works best for you. Or you can just stick it down really crookedly. Now I have found that you can take these stickers off if you are very careful, even months later, because they are repositionable. You just have to be a bit gentle with them as they come up. So useful to know. So there we go. We'll just pop up a couple more on just to give you an idea of how it could look at the end of a month, or at the beginning of a month, because I don't know about you, I tend to find I add more and more and more as the days go on. It gets busier and busier and busier. So there we are. So that's that, and then you can always use the washi strip as well. I think that would look quite fun if you were going to block out a number of days at once, or you could just use it wherever else in your planner. And it's easy enough just to trim down and take just maybe the extra appointment labels and tuck them in the back of your planner if you don't want to carry stickers around with you. So there we are. So that is the monthly view and the new mini monthly sheets and how they are working. You've also got the Winter Forest one, as I say, coming out on Wednesday, and of course there are the mini weeks sheets, which I think there's about 8 or 9 now in the shop, or there will be from Wednesday. So, well, certainly another 4 going in on Wednesday, so there'll be plenty. So, as in 4 designs, not 4 sheets, because that wouldn't be very many, would it? Really, it'd be a bit of a run. Get your stickers quick. However, there we go. So that is the, as I say, that is the Hobonichi mini monthly page, and I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. Until next time, lovely people, take care and bye bye for now.